Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festa 67's Workshop. Welcome to issue number 74 of Build the Legendary Cyborg Robocop from our good old mates over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this and build along with me, head over to their website. There's a clickable link below in the description. Bink. And you too can be building this 1/3 scale partwork, folks. Let's have a quick scoop through this week's magazine. We got the history of Robocop, Bright Side of the Future. Bit more there about contrasts and equalities, data file there, and loads of background information on the films, how they created it. We got the left-hand sections today with the palm, wrist joint supports and thumb with springs. So we're going to be popping that together. Be careful with these springs as well, folks. They are very, 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 very tiny. Okay. So this is what we're going to be doing today. Getting ready to put the wrist joint together like so. And this is where it's going to go on our Robocops, folks, okay? Designed to be endearing, this is friendly-looking robots, because as they've brought them into the workplace, they're trying to humanise them a little bit, make them look a little bit more friendly. Retinal implants, this is really interesting with the potential of that. So anyone who's got sight problems, yes, the bionic eyes that says Steve Austin's technology. There you go. With cyborg eyes, glass eyes with microelectronics in them, folks. And trying to bring augmented reality in to try and help visually impaired people see again. It's phenomenal what they are going to try. So that's that done. Let's quickly scoot back and have a look at our small parts there. We'll get this all lined up and we'll get this put together for us. So this is all of our parts for today. 2 parts of the thumb there going together. We want to pop that and press that in place like so. A couple of locating pegs. Nice resounding click. And then we got a spring going in this big hole on this side. So we'll grab that. And that's going in with the RP screw there at the back. So I'm going to grab the spring and put it on the screw, like so. And then try and get this in situ. So here's hoping, folks, that we can do this. Let's get a smaller screwdriver bit. And see whether we can get this in place. Bit of oil. And then we're going in here. We want to grab our little cup like so. We want our thumb with the thinner piece of plastic towards the bottom so that it sits over it like so. And then we're going in here. Bump. God, I'm amazed that went in first time there, Carl. Like that. And then try and get that just to bite into the other side of that piece of plastic. Like that. And that's that in place. I'll just back that off a tad. Run my finger along just so that it's flush. And that's now in situ. There you go. That went a lot better than I thought it would, folks. Right. We now want 74C, which is the one with the pegs. We want to grab our hand like that. Put that on that side like so. And then using 2 BM screws, we want to screw that together. So let's grab one of them and work that over my knuckle. And screw that fully home. Grab the next screw. Engage onto your screwdriver. Just like that. And then put that piece in. Just like that. And that is now ready. So we got our hand, we got our thumb, like so. So we keep that now to one side in a safe place with the arm until we're ready to put all the fingers on and join the rest of it together, folks, okay? So we'll leave it there for today. That's where we are. In the meantime, don't forget, if you want to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, folks, head over to the Fanhome website by following the link there. There's a clickable one in the description below, as you know. That'll take you to their website where you can take out your own subscription. You won't be disappointed, folks. In the meantime, to help me out, you can give Little Festa Pops a click in the corner there and subscribe to the channel. Be massively supportive and appreciative. Also, ring the bell whilst you're there and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.